guys, welcome to another episode of Brooks' Fishing Secrets. I was supposed to have a fishing tournament tomorrow on Sunday, but that got canceled because of the weather. So we're heading out here on the Fox River in Green Bay, and hopefully we can get some good switching spots, switching lures. Hopefully we can get on some walleye and flatheads.
Flavoring, this is going to be a nice one.
Is it right there?
It's sure fighting, right? Look at it, it's not darting around.
Didn't hit right.
No.
All I feel
Find out,
is
figure it out.
oh
Yeah, not the right flavor. So,
not really.
yeah, it's because it's big. Don't pump it though, just keep,
I think
and keep that rod tip down so that your board doesn't end up under the water. There you go.
oh yeah.
You just got off the phone. Here.
Check to make sure it's
Gonna go.
Hold them up.
Beast!
Hold them up.
Hey guys, great day out here on the Fox River in Green Bay. Got 2 new species knocked off. Freshwater sheep's head and a giant flathead catfish. I didn't get any footage of it, but my dad caught a giant king salmon. And huge thank you to Rachel and Kyle, Sturgeon Bay Charters, and Fish On, baby.